Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear shock absorbers in your Toyota Yaris. First, gather your tools. You'll need a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a set of metric wrenches or sockets. Make sure you have your new shock absorbers ready. Safety is key, so always wear appropriate protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Now, let's get your Yaris ready. Carefully lift the rear of your car using a floor jack, placing it on a strong frame point. Once lifted, position your jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame for maximum safety. With the car stable, use your lug wrench to remove the lug nuts and then take off the rear wheel. With the wheel off, you'll see the shock absorber. First, locate the upper mounting bolt inside the trunk or under the rear seat and loosen it. Next, move to the lower mounting bolt, which connects the shock to the axle, and remove it. You might need to slightly compress the old shock to fully extract it from its mounting points. Now for the new shock. Insert the new shock absorber, aligning the upper mounting point and securing the bolt. Then, align the lower mounting point with the axle and tighten that bolt firmly. Once both ends are secure, reinstall your wheel, tighten the lug nuts, and carefully lower your Yaris. Double-check all bolts for tightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.